Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can log into your CoinStats account using the CoinStats mobile application. So to do that, first of all, open up the CoinStats mobile app. You can also log into CoinStats using coinstats.app on a web browser. Either way, once you end up on the main home screen, look for the login button and press on it. In the login section, there are a few different ways you can log into your CoinStats account. This depends on how you've previously signed up for CoinStats. If you've signed up using one of the social accounts, go ahead and choose the same social account's logo at the bottom of the screen. If you have previously used email and password, make sure you do the same over here as well. Since I chose email and password option, I'm gonna have to do the same. Type in your email address and your password that is associated with your CoinStats account. After typing down your credential, tap on Login. You will then be signed in to your CoinStats account right away. And there you have it. That's how you sign into your existing CoinStats account using the CoinStats mobile app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.